Welcome to JW Solar USA. Thanks for watching. More panels, more power to the house. Here you guys can see the layout right here. We took the Kyocera, the 83 watts per panel times 12 because we can get those panels anymore. It's really hard to find. So saying that, being growing with the system, those panels can grow with the system because of it's difficult to get very efficient, powerful panels. They make about 4 or 5 kilowatts a day on good or bad weather here in Minnesota. And you guys can see this how we're gonna be laying this stuff right now. One down, and other one's gonna be 3 vertical, one's gonna be horizontal, and one of the unit struts gonna stick out. It stays like that because we want to add in the future. That's a 1920 kilowatts right there. This is 1160 kilowatts. The REC twin panels. 2 panels already down. Next panel is gonna be there. Steve is holding that. That's a 1920 on the left hand side over there, the high tech. These are the REC multi-crystalline, but they are not the twin panels, the TP2. So these are just the standard ones. Was a 5 bus bars, and 290s. They are 5 bus bars as well. 315. These are 315 watts. So folks, we're bringing more power for the Classic 200. The Kyoceras were sitting on the Classic 200 before, and now the Kyoceras are out because we want this to want to increase or maximize the capacity of that charge controller. Seeing with the Kyoceras, we can't go further anymore, so we get stuck. So these are all the layouts. You see the third panel down, you see extension here, so we can add another rack here in the future to add more panels, maybe 1 or 2 more panels, so that we can make it 6 panels on this thing due to space. But the Kyocera, the Outback, sorry, the Classic is now having 1260 on it, and 150 is having 1920, and the Outback is having 1160. Those are the rec panels, the TP2 twin. This one's right here. These panels are rocking. I recommend this panel big time. So now we can able to grow the system. Anytime we want to upgrade, we can upgrade anytime we want. And this is the space that left here so that we can hit to the roof margin there. Thanks you.